The buzz about bees, nature's tiny superheroes. Have you ever wondered about the tiny buzzing bees that fly around flowers? These little creatures may look small, but they are some of the most hardworking and fascinating insects on Earth. Let's dive into the incredible world of bees and uncover their secrets. The busy life of bees. Bees live in colonies that can house tens of thousands of members, each with an important job. In a beehive, there are three main types of bees. The queen bee. The queen is the heart of the hive. She's the largest bee, and her primary job is to lay eggs, up to 2,000 a day. The queen also releases special chemicals to guide the hive's behavior. The worker bees. These are all female bees, and they are the multitaskers of the hive. Worker bees gather nectar, make honey, clean the hive, feed the young, and even guard the hive from intruders. The drones. These male bees have one role, mating with the queen. They don't collect food or work in the hive and usually don't live long. The life cycle of a bee. A bee's life begins in a tiny egg laid by the queen. Here's how it unfolds. Egg stage. The queen lays eggs into the honeycomb cells. Larva stage. After 3 days, the eggs hatch into larvae. Worker bees feed the larvae royal jelly, honey, and pollen. Pupa stage. The larvae spin cocoons and transform into pupae, where their legs, wings, and eyes develop. Adult bee. After about 21 days, the bee emerges fully grown and ready to work. Division of labor in the beehive. Worker bees perform different tasks throughout their lives. First we have the cleaners. These are the newly emerged bees, and their job is to clean the hive. Then we have the nurses. Their job is to care for larvae and feed them. Next is the builders. They are the beeswax producers and create new honeycombs. Finally, we have the foragers. These are the adult worker bees who fly out to gather nectar and pollen. The magic of honey. Bees collect nectar from flowers and store it in a special stomach called a crop. Back at the hive, they regurgitate the nectar, passing it from one bee to another. Enzymes in their saliva transform the nectar into honey, which they store in the honeycomb and seal with wax. Honey serves as the bees' food, especially in winter when flowers are scarce. Why do bees sting? Bees sting to protect themselves and their hive. However, they don't want to sting unless they must, because a bee dies after it stings. The stinger gets stuck in the skin, pulling part of the bee's abdomen with it. Despite this, their protective instinct is vital for the hive's survival. The importance of bees. Bees are pollinators, meaning they help plants reproduce by transferring pollen from one flower to another. Without bees, we wouldn't have many fruits, vegetables, and nuts. They are responsible for pollinating about 1/3 of the food we eat. Hard work and teamwork. A single bee visits thousands of flowers in a day, and to make just 1 teaspoon of honey, bees must visit about 4,000 flowers. This shows how hard they work and how much they depend on teamwork to thrive. The threats bees face. Unfortunately, bees are in danger due to habitat loss, pesticides, and climate change. Protecting bees means planting flowers, avoiding harmful chemicals, and supporting conservation efforts. Fun facts about bees. Bees can fly up to 15 miles per hour. They use a waggle dance to communicate and tell others where to find food. A queen bee can live up to 5 years, while worker bees live about 6 weeks during summer. Honey never spoils. Ancient pots of honey have been found in Egyptian tombs. Bees are nature's superheroes. They work tirelessly, contribute to the planet, and teach us the value of hard work and teamwork. Next time you see a bee, remember how important they are to our world. Thank you for joining me to learn about these tiny but amazing insects. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. See you next time.